another toy train race. So right here we've got a bunch of like locomotives and even some cars and locomotives with cars like right here. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the video. First up is this freight train right here. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Let's try that again. By the way, the trains have to get all the way to that buffer over there. Oh. Wait, did that make it? Okay, I think it made it. Okay, next up is Edward 3, 2, 1. Oh. She did not make it. Next up is this pilot car. 3, 2, 1. And that made it. Next up is regular Thomas. 3, 2, 1. Fortunately, he did not make it. Why? Next stop is Talking Thomas. I think it made it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, he failed. Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now it made it. Next up is Percy 3, 2, 1. Oh, got stuck there, but hold on a minute. Next up is Philip and the recycling cars. 3, 2, 1. Oh my, let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next up is here. 3, 2, 1. Wait, let's try that again. Oh, I think he made it. 3, 2, 1. Just barely missed. Next up is Gordon 3, 2, 1. Okay, he made it. Emily's next. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. And she unfortunately didn't make it. Next up is this other freight diesel. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that one didn't make it either. Next up is this streamlined express train. 3, 2, 1. Wow, the car uncoupled in the middle, but still made it. Next up is this express line passenger train. 3, 2, 1. Oh, let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and I think that made it. Next up is Toby 3, 2, 1. He again made it. Wait. Okay. Anyways, boys. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Oof, I think she just barely missed. Next up is Diesel 10. 3, 2, 1. Oh, let's try that again. Okay, one last try. Okay. Now there's surprisingly 9 engines and cars still in. First up is the express one, passenger train, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more try. 3, 2, 1. Okay, she made it. At this point, we're gonna have a third round. Next up, the express train, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next up, Gordon, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think it made it. Okay, Hero again, 3, 2, 1. Yes, he made it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. He too made it. Talking Thomas now, 3, 2, 1. Oh, still made it. Now, the pilot car, 3, 2, 1. Okay. That did not make it, unfortunately. Last up, Toby. 3, 2, 1. Wow, there's still 7 in. Express line. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that. Let's try that. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it did not. Gordon next. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he too unfortunately did not make it. Next up is Hero. 3, 2, 1. Wow, Hero's the first one to continue into the 4th round. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We made 2. Talking Thomas. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. Okay. Pilot car next. 3, 2, 1. This 2 made it. Last up, 3, 2, 1. Let's try it out again. Hey, 4 engines and cars for the 4th round. Anyways, Hero, 3, 2, 1. Oh, unfortunately, we did not. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Pilot car, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this 2 made it. Now, last Toby, 3, 2, 1. Okay, he made it. Still 3 more. Okay, 3, 2, 1. How is this locomotive and car like pushing it? It's so close. Pirate card 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Let's just say that's eliminated. Toby 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Okay, now if this trade makes it, everybody has to like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1. Everybody has to like and subscribe. And anyways, bye for now.